Welcome to Paul and Barbie's Backyard Garden. It's April the 5th, 2024. Our onions have been growing for almost 4.5 months. We got several that have toppled over, which is an indicator that they're ready to be harvested. So I just made a command decision, and we're going to go ahead and harvest all of them today and get them in a drying rack so we can start the curing process so they'll store for a few months. All right, stay tuned. We got about 110, 120 onions to harvest, so let's get busy.